How to customize Instagram suggested posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply customize suggested posts on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices and go into any of the suggested posts that are being shown on the Instagram feed. Once they are there, you just have to tap on the three dotted bar option like this, and this is going to be a dialog box that appears up from below the screen. So you just have to tap on this hide. Once you do that, there are three options: report this post, mute IDP, or unfollow. So you can report it, you can mute it, and you can unfollow this. So once you report this, it can tell you that it's spam or anything like that or not. So you can also do that, or you can simply hide it, and that is it. Yep, this is how you customize suggested posts on Instagram. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.